Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning, subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So women are going through a lot during this Women's Month. Last time it was Miklali and now it's Gogo Skhoteni. She posted and later on deleted a post. I think it was like less than an hour ago, but I have already screen grabbed what she had posted. So stay tuned. I'm going to put everything at the end of the video. So she posted, "Monde Shange, are you going to beat me up every time you see me, even if we are not together? Our marriage was funny and we had our ups and downs at the same time, but I don't deserve what you're doing. Yes, we both did each other wrong. What broke our marriage is not cheating, but disrespect." I didn't want to post because I was bashed the last time, people blaming me. Then I had to pretend as if it's nothing. But manje, I can see uzongibulala, Monde Shange. I know I had my flaws. I left my marriage and our marital home. So manje ungishayeleni. This you did on Monday. I didn't attend my gigs after. It looks like it nothing, but did I turn you into a monster? Monde Shange. If so, then I'm sorry, Shange. Please stop. It's enough. There are videos I can't post them because I'm naked lapo ungishaya. And then she went on to say, "I'm going public, ngoba ngathi ngizofa. La, it's okay even if I get judged, but if anything happens to me, Monde Shange will be responsible. Our marriage was funny and we had our ups and downs at the same time, but I don't deserve what you're doing to me. I went to a gig from Friday. I was coming back Sunday. You said you want to see Liana. I said no problem because I won't be there. When I came back, I find you there. You beat me up and my operation hasn't healed. Liana had to come in between. What's that? Yes, I'll think about you and think of giving you a chance, but there are disturbing things that you would do that made me say no, but don't to me, just move on. I've put my pride aside and made sure we cooperate well, and I never spoke ill of you to anyone." And to come think of it, we've never heard Gogo Skhoteni going to any podcast. I don't know if I missed any podcast talking about her husband, the breakup or anything. I don't know. And she has never in her life, we've never seen a post saying he was trash or anything. We are actually surprised to see all this. And people are saying, if you feed a person with a love potion, this is what happens. I think she went public with this issue. Everyone knows that she gave Monde love potion, and people are saying these are the results. There's something that you need to do to reverse it. And then she's saying, "I want to get you arrested so bad because we have protection order. But what about Liana? She asks about you every minute, every day. Yes, we both did each other wrong. What broke our marriage is not cheating, but disrespect we had towards each other. So, especially in front of your lovely daughter, Liana. I didn't want to post about this, but then, because if you're going to jail, manje, there's no turning back." The funny part is we don't know why they are fighting. If she could have disclosed what they are fighting for, I think we would have a clear picture of what is happening. Because she's saying there's no reason for Monde to beat her up. So she went on to saying it in Kuliana, you know how she is. She keeps on saying you won't hit me again. She's instead apologizing on your behalf. And she put a screenshot of her sending Monde messages. "You're going to rot in jail. You and Makonzonke are the same. You're the worst nightmare. You're going to rot in jail. Uyofela corner. You can't beat me for no reason." This is so sad to watch another woman going through all this. I don't know what you guys think about this whole situation. I personally am out of words because we've watched them grow from COVID time, and yeah, I think it's barely 5 years. Their marriage is less than 5 years. And to watch them going through this, I knew there was something that is going to happen when I saw her in that reality show saying, "I want a second husband." That whole drama to me wasn't like a proper thing. And for now, I think she should just go to the police and report and get a protection order or some sort. I don't know what will happen, but for your protection, if a man is hitting you like this, there's something that is wrong with him, and they should resolve this amicably. If there's anything, I don't know what's the reason for their breakup and so, but I think there's a lot that is involved. And if there's abuse, there's no reason for you to come back again and forgive him. As she was saying, I was thinking of forgiving him, but for now I think I'm okay. I don't need this drama anymore. I think she doesn't need it, to be honest. She's better way off with, she can do her things. You can see her going to gigs, working for herself, and also she's a sangoma. She get a lot of money from that. I'm sure wherever Gogo Skhoteni is, she's actually saying, I told you this thing of love potion, you should let a man love you naturally. Look at what a love potion does. And I think it contributed, to be honest. I think there's something that has to do with this love potion. And she has to reverse it. I don't know how, but I think for this, she has to do it. Thank you guys for watching. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you are subscribed and also hit the notification bar to get notification each time I upload.